How to invite friends for free rides on boat. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can invite friends for free rides on boat. Now the first step is to download the boat app on your smartphone, then launch the app. After launching the app, you'll be brought automatically to the page where you see a map and your location as well. And then if you want to go to any destination, you can just click on the search box and carry out whatever you need to. And the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal lines. Once you see it, click on it. Then in the page displayed, you can see other options like payment, promotions, my rights, expense my rights, support, about, and then click on promotions. Okay, all right. So after clicking on promotions, you'll be taken to the promotions page. Now, for you to be able to get free ride, you must note that it is not applicable to everybody. So for me now, free rides is not here. All right, I am not the more you use the boat app to as a means of public transportation, the more you have a chance to get free rides. So by the time you click on promotions and you are brought to the promotions page here, you'll see the option get free rides. All right, so just click on it. Once you click on get free rides, you would be able once you get click on get free right, you would be able to see your referral code. All right, so just copy it, share with your friends, and start earning your free rides. All right, so for every friend who signs up and take their first boat ride using your referral code, you will earn a certain amount of money. Okay, so this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.